UFC upcoming superstar Hamzat Chimaev, who returned to fighting on UFC 267 card and has dominant win over Li Jianglian, who was ranked 11 in UFC welterweight division. And he finished that fight in first round. Li Jinglian could not even land a single punch on him. He picked him and went toward Dana White, who was checking his phone, and screamed at him to not to check his phone and dropped him and submitted him 50 seconds later. He first came to light when he fought back to back under 30 days 3 fights, and after that he catch COVID and he was out of fighting scene because he suffered through severe complication of COVID. So after this dominant win, and when he was going into this fight, there were various speculations among fighters like how he is gonna do because Li Jinglian is a good fighter. He has fought some good tough opponent like Neil Magny, Santiago Ponzinibbio, but he passed this test with flying colors, and Dana White after the press conference even said that he is going to break into top 10 next week. It means that his next fight will be with top 10 opponent. And even if not, given that his affinity towards fighting, he will return definitely if somebody falls on any other card due to injury. But one thing is clear that he's not going to fight for middleweight division because he made that clear during the fight week for UFC 267 that he has promised his coach that he will fight on 170 till he gets the belt. So the one speculation that was how he's gonna do that, but he proved everybody wrong, and that he's going to dominate, and the way he has out wrestle and in everybody has been a sight to watch. And the fact is, in his 4 fights, he has not even observed 4 punch from the opponents yet. So who could be the best matchup for Hamzat Chimaev to take him toward that title shot? And given his fame and how he media pushes him and his skills, obviously the way he dominates people, it's not going to take him too long to get the title shot, because if you look at current situation, Jorge Masvidal and Leon Edwards are going to fight each other on December card. If Masvidal wins, it's highly unlikely that he's going to get an immediate title shot, but if Leon Edwards win, there is a case that he might fight for the title next. But after that, the next contender is Vicente Luque. Another two guys in that division are Stephen Wonderboy Thompson and Gilbert Burns, Michael Chiesa, who recently lost to Vicente Luque. And the fact is, Gilbert Burns could be an ideal opponent for Hamzat Chimaev because he has been calling for fight ever since his last fight with Stephen Wonderboy Thompson, where he was criticized for his conservative performance. Even Dana White criticized him because he was expecting him to go forward and do some stand and bang because it looked like he came there mainly to win. But that's his job, and so he should not be judged for that. So it could be a great fight for him, Hamzat Chimaev, Gilbert Burns and Hamzat Chimaev, and if he goes through it, him definitely he will be fighting for the title next. Or another case is he might have to fight 2 more fights for title. So it could be anyone between Stephen Wonderboy, Michael Chiesa, and Vicente Luque, given it's a very high risk, low reward kind of fight. But for Stephen Wonderboy, it might not be the case because he has already fought 2 times for the title. And after he lost to Gilbert Burns, before that he was on 3 fight win streak. It can be said that he is not going to fight for the title again. So if he fights somebody like Hamzat Chimaev, who has a big following and who is upcoming superstar and who has great skill sets. It cannot be denied now. Then suppose that if he wins, he might get the shot after one more fight or immediately, because Hamzat Chimaev has great wrestling as much as he has shown, because he has only fought one round in each of his fight. That shows the kind of dominance he has shown in UFC till now. And he has been spoken very highly of by many people. Even Sean Strickland, who is very rarely impressed with anybody, he sparred with Hamzat Chimaev at Extreme Couture in Las Vegas and said that that kid is a monster and he's going to blast everybody once he's making comeback. And he showed that. It showed that during the 1 year he is very improved in every way. And another fight would be Michael Chiesa and Neil Magny. Neil Magny has been calling out Hamzat Chimaev for quite so long, and Neil Magny has a win over Li Jianglian as well. He won via unanimous decision. In that fight, Neil Magny was making a comeback after 2 years because of the injury layoff. So after that dominant win, it will be seen that if Neil Magny calls him out or that fight happens. So these are the Neil Magny, Michael Chiesa. Michael Chiesa is an interesting opponent because he is mainly a grappler and he can strike as well. His striking is improving. So it might be a good match for him, and it will do the same for him because he aspires to fight for the title. And if he gets a win over somebody like Hamzat Chimaev, so definitely it will push him very close to the title, where he will have to fight once more before title, or he can get directly title shot. So it will be great to see who Hamzat Chimaev is going to be matched against, and but it will be very interesting to see that who is willing to fight with him right now. So I hope that he gets his shot, and looking at his skill and the dominance he has shown, definitely he will get there in 2022 sometime. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll keep updating more, and please subscribe my channel.